This place is amazing. Hello, and welcome to another episode of the BOSH Boys vlog. We hope you're enjoying these episodes, and if you are, please subscribe below. Today at the BOSH house is a cook day, which means we won't have that much time for filming. So today is a perfect time to show you some wonderful food that we ate over in Los Angeles a few weeks ago. You are gonna love this, check it out.
Welcome to Los Angeles, Abbot Kinney, Venice Beach to be precise. We're going to show you all of the gorgeous food that we find in LA.
Next stop, Cafe Gratitude.
These are the Southwest style enchilada. Also on this plate we've got loads of gorgeous Mexican flavors, black beans, pico de gallo, cashew cream cheese. Looks incredible. Gorgeous jackfruit, amazing.
This is the chilaquiles, which is a nice Mexican traditional dish, perfect for breakfast. It's got these wonderful tortillas that have been lightly fried, and it's got this fantastic tempeh chorizo. Super delicious dish. This place is amazing.
This is their key lime pie, absolutely banging. That is a Florida speciality. Really creamy, delicious. Highly recommend Cafe Gratitude. That's it. Next stop, we're gonna go and do a little bit of work, and then later on, eat more food.
I don't think we're allowed to do it on the sidewalk though.
This is Venice Beach. It's super iconic. They've got this incredible skate park with amazing skateboarders, and also the basketball court where they shot White Men Can't Jump. Check this out.
Got it! Kyle! Kyle! Would you relax? I'm in the zone.
So we've seen the basketballers, we've seen the skaters, and here is the little calisthenics area.
Hey guys, so our work is done for the day. We're on our way to get some food. Now, being BOSH, we're gonna cram a load of food into a short space of time. First up is this place called Thai Vegan. It's really tasty. It's like super basic, but some of the best Thai vegan food I've ever had.
Now this is the Thai classic. It tastes really traditional, and it's like perfectly cooked noodles, not too soft, not too hard, not too sticky, just really nice, great dish, super delicious.
Look at that. That is a massive mouthful of Thai green curry with tofu. I mean, for a Thai place, their Thai green curry should be really good. I got all of that Thai basil in one mouthful, which was incredible.
Another Thai classic, this is what we've done, order all the classics. This is a summer roll. We had it in our second book, Bish Bash Bosh. These things are quite difficult to get wrong. They didn't get it wrong. Just really fresh, super simple, really delicious, very good indeed.
That was Thai Vegan, just between Santa Monica and Venice Beach. Really affordable, really tasty food, proper authentic Thai food. This was about 45 bucks for all of this spread. Highly recommend this place. This is Pacific Park, lights everywhere. Check out how crazy this place is.
So there you have it, Los Angeles in a vlog. I'll tell you something, that place is a delicious city. I mean, it's probably the most delicious city for vegans anywhere on planet Earth. Guys, it's been a pleasure. Subscribe to the channel, tell us what you think below, and we shall see you tomorrow.